The best business owners face their financial realities head on. So how do you approach yours and what support do you get? Follow my video and I'll explain more. So hi, I'm Michael from MDH Accountants. If you like this video, click subscribe to get every single business tip and business growth idea. Coming to terms with your financial realities can be uncomfortable. It can be really awkward. And running a business can be massively lonely. So what support do you get in this area? Follow my video and I'll explain more. You get really good days and you get really bad days and you get the stuff in the middle. Now that combined will determine how well you are getting on or not within your business, yeah? So how do you actually look at those realities and how do you face them? So one of them is about noticing them to see whether it's good, bad or indifferent, but what support do you have within your business that allows you to really critically analyse these? And I'm not just talking about challenging and being hard on you, I'm talking about support as well at the same time. Because let's be honest, business is lonely and sometimes we need the support of people around us to help us really understand these critical areas. So who is doing that for you? Let's be honest, it can be really painful. You've put blood, sweat, tears, everything that you've got in your business and it's not working. So with a lot of our clients at MDH, we are constantly looking and helping them and guiding them on how to make their business better. Now this could be a quick chat, this could be looking at their zero, this could be producing some reports and really analysing how well things are going or badly. If you're doing really well, you want to understand why it's going well and do more of it. And if it's doing really badly, how do you stop this? How do you stop the leak? How do you stop the boat from sinking so you can then rescue it? So within your business, have you got someone that is proactively answering these questions for you all the time and also giving you the support that you need? Because at the end of the day, with either outcome, it's going to take action. So how are them actions defined to make sure that your business is either recovering or continuing to get even better? Even in its most basic forms with your year-end set of accounts, your accountant should flag certain areas to you. Now, if you're doing your accounts 9 months after the year-end, which happens a lot, these are going to be less meaningful because a lot of stuff can happen in 9 months or your business could even fail. So even on this basic form, if you did the accounts quickly after the year end, is how well are these being analysed by you and your proactive accountant? What opportunities are coming up? What problems are they seeing within the accounts that they are highlighting red flags? So even if it's most basic form, are you actually critically analysing these on at least an annual basis? Now, I'm not saying for 1 minute that is enough, but I'm saying, are you even just starting with that? Key things to notice within a business is sales trends, yeah? So is sales going up or is it going down? And how is that performing from last year and the years before? Sales is driven by two things. It's driven by average value per invoice and number of invoices gone out the door. So do you have a clear handle of how well that's improving or declining? And for both outcomes, do you understand why? The big part in any business that I believe that the ones that are truly profitable are the ones that really get a handle of their gross margin. So if you take all your direct costs and you against your sales to get to a gross profit, how well are you performing? And in the percentage basis, how well are you performing compared to prior years? Overheads are the staple of the business that helps stand it up. Are you investing enough in your business or have you got a load of waste in there? And then which will come down to the magical net profit, which is how much money, profit before tax, are you earning that makes all of your efforts and all of your investments worth getting out of bed for every single day. Now, there are other drivers that will drive your business from a balance sheet perspective and also a cash flow perspective. The one that I always get a lot of small business owners to really get their hands on is debtor days. So debtor days is looking at how quickly your customers pay you. Because normally cash flow is rubbish, one, because of profitability, and two, the money is sitting in your customer's bank account and not yours. So if you're in them situations, how proactively are you tackling these on a regular basis within your business? And accountant support, they're not a judge to go, bang, this is your sentence. They're there to give you support and they're there potentially to also challenge you at the same time. Because as again, the business is lonely and you really want to define what you're doing well and what's not, and you'll have someone that has got experience in your industry, experience with working at loads of business that can give you loads of proactive ideas that can literally go and help your business go upwards. So often are you sitting with your accountant proactively looking at really cool things that you can do to really put your business on turbo. Accountability. Now all these proactive sessions are amazing, but if they just talk and they go magic into thin air and nothing happens for them, they are a waste of time. So what you want to make sure with any meeting or any defined actions that you're taking, have you got a way to measure, are you actually getting that stuff done? Because getting that stuff done is going to be fundamentally important on whether your business is going to be a success, because you're actually doing stuff. The level below that is about talking. So how much are you talking within your business and how much are you doing to actually make it sure it improves? Because that is where the real magic happens. How do you do this? Easy, open communication. So have open communication with anyone that's on your side. It doesn't have to be us, but although we'd like you to, and make sure that you've got open communication and there's a good level of trust. So once you both trust each other in a relationship, that you're both after the same end goal, a lot of it is easier. Now there may be times where you have a massively uncomfortable conversation, and there may be times where you're sitting there celebrating, doing loads of high fives. A combination of both is probably where you're going to be. So make sure that you've got your sessions with your accountant, they're regularly booked in, and ultimately they link to your personal and your business goals. I hope this has really helped, but if it would help to have a further chat with me, there's a link below. This will allow you to book in a call directly in my calendar. It is a Zoom call, it'll be for 30 minutes long. I'll take on board any questions you have, get to understand your business, and I'll promise I'll just look to deliver value without any pushy sales pitch. But if you're interested to really get going on this and understand your numbers, and you'd like our 2-page analysis, and you're on QuickBooks or Xero, please contact me. We'll give you this as a gift today, because our goal is to help small business owners exactly like you. And what we could potentially do as well is follow it up with a very short meeting to give you some guidance on where potentially you should be going. If this report is of interest, click our link below to get our business overview report. Or even easier, email me at info@mdh.me.uk and we'll start the ball rolling to give you the information you truly need to help your business to be a success.